Well, folks, this is another series in my model railroading adventure. This here is a 17 deep by 31 inch across end scale that I built for my sister. I've been working on it since March of this year, and I think I finally got it done. This here is a Santa Fe engine. There's the first building I put in, which was a 3-bay service station. Then I put in a train station. Then I put in a church with the parish house, and they're having a cookout right now. This here is about 1/4 speed. And I got back into model railroading. I've been into it since I was 11 years old, which was way back in the 60s. And my wife got me back into it by giving me Hallmark Keepsake train ornaments, which look like real trains. They're not plastic, they're not glass. And that really put the bug back in my ear. There is a house under construction with the dirt from our front yard, and with the environmental barrier around it. And there's a divided highway with trees in it. There's a playground for the kids. And a bus stop. Oop. So that is it.